Krakow, the cultural capital of Poland, is a city that has managed to preserve its rich history and culture while embracing modernization. The city, located in southern Poland, is the second largest in the country and has a population of around 800,000 people. Krakow's history dates back to the 7th century, and it was the capital of Poland until the late 16th century. The city's past is evident in its well-preserved medieval architecture, such as the Wawel Castle and St. Mary's Basilica, which attract millions of tourists each year. Wawel Castle is one of the most famous landmarks in Krakow, and served as the residence of Polish kings and queens for centuries. The castle complex, which includes a cathedral and multiple courtyards, showcases the country's power and grandeur. The staterooms, royal private apartments, and crown treasury and armory, which are open to the public, offer visitors a glimpse into the lives of Polish royalty. St. Mary's Basilica, located in the heart of Krakow's Old Town, is another must-see attraction. The Gothic church, built in the 14th century, is famous for its stunning stained glass windows and intricate altar carved by Veit Stoss. The church also has a unique feature. Every hour, a trumpeter plays a tune from the top of the tower, a tradition that dates back to the 13th century. Krakow's Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is considered one of the best preserved medieval cities in Europe. The main market square, the largest medieval square in Europe, is the center of the Old Town and is surrounded by colorful buildings, cafes, and restaurants. The Cloth Hall, a Renaissance-era trading hall that now houses souvenir shops and stalls selling traditional Polish products, is located in the middle of the square. Krakow is also known for its Jewish heritage, and the Kazimierz district, once the center of Jewish life in Krakow, is now a trendy neighborhood filled with restaurants, bars, and street art. The area is home to several historic synagogues, such as the Rema Synagogue, which dates back to the 16th century. Another notable attraction in Krakow is the Wieliczka salt mine, located just outside the city. The mine, which has been in operation for over 700 years, is famous for its underground chapels and sculptures carved entirely out of salt. Visitors can take a guided tour through the mine, which includes a visit to the Chapel of St. Kinga, a stunning underground church. Krakow is also a city of culture, with numerous museums and galleries, including the National Museum and the Museum of Contemporary Art in Krakow. The city hosts several annual events, such as the Krakow Film Festival and the Krakow Christmas Market. Krakow's culinary scene is also worth exploring, with traditional Polish dishes such as pierogi, dumplings filled with meat or cheese, kielbasa, sausage, and bigos, hunter stew, being popular options. The city also has a thriving cafe culture, with numerous coffee shops and bakeries serving traditional Polish pastries such as punchki and drozdowki.